Student, good evening. So today we will now see first question is what? First question is asking about the circuit shown in the figure. Shown in the figure below is option A2, that logarithmic amplifier, logarithmic multiplier, anti-log amplifier, or none of these. So let us see the answer. So given op-amp is actually what? Ideal. Okay, so given op-amp condition is given as it is ideal. What? Ideal op-amp. Okay, so ideal means ideal, and the op-amp is, see here, op-amp is given what? Op-amp is ideal with negative feedback. With what? Negative feedback. As we know very well, in case of negative feedback, virtual ground concept is valid. V positive is equal to V negative. Okay, so V positive is equal to V negative. Both are equal to, let us say, it is a Vx. So if you will solve this, let us see at non-inverting terminal, this voltage Vx is nothing but equal to what? By applying voltage division rule. So by applying voltage division rule, we will get this Vx as what? Vx is equal to, see, R1 into Vs divided by what? R1 plus R2. Yes, so this is my Vx voltage. Okay, so now at inverting terminal, so this is my voltage Vx. Okay, so now see the current IF. Okay, current IF is incoming in first op-amp, so it is passing through diode in feedback. So if you will write, this current is what? IF is equal to, approximately equal to, I0 into e to the power Vf by Vt. Okay, so from here, this is current equation. Okay, from here you will get Vf. How much is Vf? Vf is nothing but If by I0. This is ln. This is nothing but Vt ln. Okay, Vt ln If by I0. Okay, so you will get this is my Vf. Okay, so now this is Vf and this is Vx. Okay, so then just what you do, just apply here KVL from output side to input side. That is V01 is output voltage of op-amp 1, V01. Okay, so by applying KVL, V0 plus Vf plus minus, that is Vx. Okay, Vx is the voltage at inverting terminal. Okay, by virtual ground concept. So this is equal to what? 0. So now from here we will get V01 is equal to how much? Vx minus Vf. Okay, so this is my V01. So then after that, now let us come to here in next op-amp is given. So this is what? So next op-amp is given as, this is op-amp negative, positive. Okay, so here this is inverting op-amp. So here is diode in reverse direction. Okay, so this is my V01 that we have done. Okay, this is V01. So here current is flowing how much? So that is I2. How much? I2 current is there. So it is flowing like this. Okay, so this is feedback resistor R2. So now this current is inside, the current is 0 because the op-amp is ideal as well as a negative. Okay, ideal op-amp and in negative feedback. So always in this type of op-amp, the virtual ground concept is valid wherever we will see inverting op-amp with negative feedback. Okay, so this is what? 0 volt. So how much current is flowing here? Here also flowing how much? I2. Okay, I2. So this is my V0. Now you see here, this is I2 and this voltage is how much? Vd. So this voltage is Vd2. Okay, so Vd2 positive, negative. So now let us apply here KVL. So if you will apply KVL, 0 minus Vd2 minus V01. So you will get Vd2 is equal to what? Minus V01. Okay, Vd2 is equal to minus V01. So now Now see here, so by applying KVL from here to here, what we will get? V naught minus I2, okay, I2 R2 minus 0 is equal to 0. So this V naught is equal to what? I2 into R2. So now let us calculate this I2. How much is I2? I2 is nothing but, this is flowing through diode, so this is almost equal to I naught into e to the power what? Vd2 by Vt. Let us assume that eta is equal to 1. Okay, let us assume for germanium. Okay, so just we want to find what relation between input voltage and output voltage. Okay, so this is I2. Then what you will do, just this is Vd2. Okay, Vd2 is equal to V01. Okay, so then Vd2 is how much? This is I2 Vd2. Okay, so V0 is equal to what? Then V0 is equal to what? I0 into e to the power Vd2 is how much? Minus V01 by Vt. Okay, so this is what? V0. Now just V0, how much we got here? Vx minus Vf. Okay, so this is over Vx minus Vf. So this is V0 is equal to how much? I0 e to the power minus V01 is equal to Vx minus Vf. This is minus Vx. Okay, so plus Vf plus Vf. Okay, so this is this divided by Vt. How much we got? Vx is nothing but R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, R2 into Vs. This we got Vx. Okay, so now we will just put this value here. Okay, let us put this value here. So what we will get? Final answer is, this is V0. Now here V0 equal to I0. Okay, I0 into R2 is also there, okay, so into R2, I0 into R2. Okay, so I0 into R2 e to the power how much? Vx plus Vf. Okay, so Vx, so this is Vf minus Vx, just put the value of Vx. How much we got? R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, R1 plus R2 into Vs. Okay, so this is what? This value. Okay, so now this, what is this? Vx, Vf, how much we got? Vf we got Vt ln I not by I2. How much this current? If by I naught. Okay, this much we got what? Vf. Just put this value here, we will get. So this is V0 is equal to I0 into R2 e to the power Vf is nothing but Vt. Okay, so here Vt is also there, in division Vt is also there. Okay, so Vt is also there. So this is Vf is nothing but Vt ln If by what? I0. Okay, If by I0 into, see here, this is in this power only. I am writing it separately into E0 minus what? R1 Vs divided by R1 plus R2 into Vt. So now e to the power Vt ln x, this is divided by also Vt get cancelled. So now see here, V0 is equal to what? V0 is equal to, this is e to the power ln x is nothing but x. Okay, so this is I0 R2, okay, into ln x. X will come x only, f. Here e to the power ln x is equal to what? X is nothing but if by I naught. Okay, so this is e to the power into e to the power minus how much? R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into this is Vt here into Vs. So I naught get cancelled. So finally we got the answer what? Finally we got V naught is equal to how much? V naught is equal to R2IF. Okay, so this is R2IF into what? E to the power minus R1. Okay, R1 Vs divided by R1 plus R2 into Vt. Okay, so this we got. So what is the relation between this? Let us assume this as k e to the power minus k1 Vs. Okay, so I am taking this k1 is equal to R1 by R1 plus R2 into Vt. This is k. What is exact relation is what? Anti-log. Okay, so it is what? It is a anti-log amplifier. Which amplifier? Anti-log amplifier. Okay, so anti-log amplifier. So hence option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct. So this is final answer. Okay, so now let us see. So now next question.